the herb that may support kidney function, improve eye health, freshen breath, support bone strength, and boost immunity naturally. As people grow older, maintaining good health often becomes less about finding miracle solutions and more about making smart daily choices. Many adults focus on expensive supplements while overlooking simple herbs that have been valued for generations. One such herb is parsley. Most people think of parsley as nothing more than a garnish sitting on the side of a plate. However, this bright green herb contains a surprising variety of nutrients that may support overall health, especially after the age of 50. Parsley is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that may help support kidney function, eye health, bone strength, immune function, and fresh breath. While parsley is not a cure for disease, adding it regularly to a balanced diet may provide valuable nutritional support. Among all of its potential benefits, kidney support is one of the reasons parsley continues to attract attention in natural health discussions. Why kidney health matters more after 50. The kidneys work around the clock to help filter waste products and excess fluids from the bloodstream. They also play important roles in maintaining electrolyte balance, blood pressure regulation, and overall fluid control. As adults age, kidney function may naturally decline over time. Conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, excess weight, and dehydration may place additional stress on these vital organs. Because the kidneys work silently, many people do not think about them until problems develop. Supporting kidney health through hydration, healthy eating, and proper medical care may help promote healthy aging. This is where nutrient-rich foods and herbs such as parsley may offer supportive benefits. How parsley may support kidney function. Parsley has traditionally been used in many cultures as a natural herb for urinary and kidney support. One reason parsley receives attention is its natural diuretic properties. A diuretic helps the body eliminate excess fluid through urine. Healthy urine flow is one way the body naturally removes waste products. Parsley also contains antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress, which may affect tissues throughout the body, including the kidneys. Additionally, parsley provides potassium, although individuals with kidney disease should follow the guidance of their healthcare provider regarding potassium intake. While parsley is not a treatment for kidney disease, including antioxidant-rich herbs as part of a balanced diet may help support overall kidney wellness. A rich source of antioxidants. One of parsley's greatest strengths is its impressive antioxidant content. Every day, the body is exposed to oxidative stress from normal metabolism, environmental pollutants, and unhealthy lifestyle habits. Over time, this stress may contribute to cellular damage. Parsley contains antioxidants such as luteolin, apigenin, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and support the body's natural defense systems. Many nutrition experts encourage consuming a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and herbs because of their antioxidant content, and parsley fits perfectly into this approach. How parsley may help support eye health. Eye health becomes increasingly important as people grow older. Parsley contains carotenoids, including lutein and beta-carotene, which are known for their role in supporting healthy vision. Lutein is particularly valued because it accumulates in the retina and helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Vitamin A, which the body can produce from beta-carotene, also plays an important role in maintaining normal vision. Although parsley alone cannot prevent age-related eye conditions, it can contribute valuable nutrients that support long-term eye health. Naturally freshening breath. Many people notice that parsley is often served alongside meals in restaurants. This is not simply for decoration. Parsley contains natural plant oils and chlorophyll that may help temporarily freshen breath, especially after consuming foods with strong odors such as garlic or onions. While it should not replace proper dental care, chewing fresh parsley may help reduce unpleasant mouth odors naturally. This simple traditional use continues to be popular around the world. Supporting bone strength. Strong bones become increasingly important after 50, particularly for women and older adults. Parsley contains vitamin K, one of the most important nutrients involved in bone metabolism. Vitamin K helps support the processes that allow calcium to be properly utilized in bone tissue. In addition to vitamin K, parsley provides calcium and other minerals that contribute to overall skeletal health. Healthy bones depend on many factors, including proper nutrition, exercise, vitamin D, and adequate mineral intake. Parsley can be one small part of that larger picture, helping support the immune system. A strong immune system helps the body respond effectively to daily challenges. Parsley provides vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidants, and plant compounds that help support immune function. Vitamin C plays an important role in supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. Meanwhile, vitamin A contributes to maintaining healthy skin and mucosal barriers, which serve as part of the body's first line of defense. Although no herb can guarantee immunity, nutrient-rich foods help provide the building blocks the immune system needs. Easy ways to add parsley to your diet. One reason parsley is so valuable is its versatility. Fresh parsley can be added to salads, soups, omelets, rice dishes, smoothies, and vegetable recipes. Some people enjoy parsley tea made by steeping fresh parsley leaves in hot water for several minutes. Others blend parsley with lemon and cucumber as part of a refreshing vegetable drink. The key is regular use rather than occasional consumption. Small daily habits often create the biggest long-term benefits. Simple parsley tea recipe. To prepare parsley tea, rinse a handful of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add the parsley to a cup of hot water and allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the leaves and enjoy warm. Some people add a small amount of lemon for additional flavor. This simple drink is often used as part of a healthy hydration routine. Important reminder: although parsley offers many nutritional benefits, it is not a cure or treatment for kidney disease, vision problems, infections, or bone disorders. Individuals with chronic kidney disease, those taking blood-thinning medications, or people with specific medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before significantly increasing parsley intake. Natural foods work best as part of a healthy lifestyle and proper medical care when needed. Parsley may be one of the most overlooked herbs in the kitchen. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, it may help support kidney function, eye health, fresh breath, bone strength, and immune wellness naturally. While no herb can solve every health challenge, simple daily habits often have the greatest impact over time. And for many adults over 50, one of those habits may begin with adding a little more parsley to the plate each day.